Former President Trump could face another indictment as soon as this week, this time in Georgia. For more than 2 years, prosecutors there have been investigating whether Trump interfered in the 2020 election. CBS 2's Alice Gaynor has more.
Increased security outside the Fulton County Courthouse Monday, where multiple witnesses emerged after being subpoenaed to appear before the grand jury. Former Georgia Democratic State Senator Jen Jordan told reporters she was questioned for about 40 minutes. Jordan and former Democratic Georgia Representative Bee Nguyen both attended legislative hearings in December 2020, during which former New York City Mayor and Trump attorney Rudy Giuliani and others made false claims of widespread election fraud in Georgia. Former Lieutenant Governor Republican Jeff Duncan, along with the governor, rejected a call from Trump to bring together a special legislative session to overturn the election results.
We've got to put these facts and figures and details and reality on display for America, specifically for Republicans to see what reality really is.
Georgia Secretary of State Republican Brad Raffensperger pushed back on allegations of widespread election problems. This investigation began after a January 2, 2021 phone call by then President Trump to Raffensperger seeking to potentially overturn the 2020 election.
I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have.
While campaigning in Iowa this weekend, Trump was asked about the investigation.
We did nothing wrong.
Fulton County District Attorney Fonnie Willis.
If someone broke the law in Fulton County, Georgia, that I have a duty to prosecute.
Sources tell CBS News that Willis could pursue racketeering charges. CBS News legal analyst Jessica Levinson.
You essentially have to prove that 2 or more crimes were committed by 2 or more people and that they were trying to protect or control an institution, property, or an interest.
If the former president is indicted, because this is state court, a judge has signed off to allow video cameras in the courtroom. In the newsroom, Alice Gaynor, CBS 2 News.
And the former president has been indicted 3 times this year in New York on charges related to hush money payments to Stormy Daniels. Federal charges stemming from classified documents seized from his Mar-a-Lago estate, and federal charges relating to his efforts to overturn the 2020 presidential election and the January 6th attack on the Capitol.
Richard.